Promoting Pinterest pins involves leveraging the platform's tools and best practices to increase visibility and engagement. Create quality pins. Design visually appealing pins with high-quality images or videos. Use clear, engaging visuals that stand out on Pinterest. Optimize pin descriptions. Write compelling and keyword-rich descriptions for your pins. Use relevant keywords that align with your target audience's interests and searches. Pin consistently. Regularly pin new content. Consistency helps in staying visible on users' feeds and increases the likelihood of engagement. Rich pins and Pinterest SEO. Enable rich pins for your website to provide additional details like pricing or availability. Utilize Pinterest SEO by using relevant keywords in your profile, boards, and pin descriptions. Promoted pins. Use Pinterest's advertising platform to promote your pins to a broader audience. Set specific targeting parameters based on demographics, interests, or keywords to reach potential customers. Engagement and community interaction. Engage with other users' content by repinning, commenting, and following relevant accounts. Actively participating in the Pinterest community can boost visibility. Pin to relevant boards. Pin your content to boards that align with its topic or category. Organize boards logically to make it easier for users to discover your content. Track analytics and adapt. Monitor Pinterest analytics to understand which pins perform best. Use this data to refine your strategy and focus on content that resonates with your audience.